In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a password to your Notion account. By the end, you'll have a secure, memorable password set up so you can sign in reliably on any device and keep your pages protected. First, open Notion. You can use the desktop app or a web browser, whichever you prefer. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to secure. It helps to close any extra Notion tabs so you don't get confused about which workspace you're adjusting. Next, head to your account settings. Look for Settings or Settings and Members, usually found under your workspace name or in the sidebar. Open that, then navigate to your personal profile or account section. This is where Notion keeps your account-level preferences separate from workspace-specific settings. Take a moment to confirm you're viewing your own account details, not a team or workspace setting. Within your profile, find the security area and look for the option labeled Add Password. Click Add Password to bring up the password form. You'll typically be asked to type a new password and confirm it. Create something strong and unique. A longer passphrase is easier to remember and harder to guess. Avoid reusing passwords from other sites. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to generate and save one. When you're ready, save your changes. If Notion asks you to confirm with your current sign-in method, go ahead and follow the prompt. That's a normal security check. If you originally signed up using Google, Apple, or another single sign-on provider, adding a password gives you a fallback way to log in, which is especially handy on devices or networks where SSO can be finicky. If you don't see the Add Password option, it may be because your workspace has specific sign-in policies or your account is managed by an identity provider. In that case, check your SSO provider settings or your workspace's security preferences for guidance. Once saved, you're done. Your account now supports email and password login in addition to any other sign-in method you use. If you want extra peace of mind, you can later verify by opening a private window and confirming that your new password works. As a best practice, store your password securely and consider exploring Notion's security settings for additional protections available to your account. That's all there is to it. Open Notion, go to Settings and your profile, click Add Password, and save. Thanks for watching and enjoy a safer, smoother Notion experience.